In Des Moines, the prosecution in the Brayvon Tukes murder trial have rested their case. They say Tukes was the getaway driver after the deadly shooting at the Starts Right Here facility in January. KCCI's Bo Bowman joins us now to explain how the state tried to prove Tukes was in on the plan to kill Rashad Carr and Gianni Dameron. Bo?
Well, Ben, lead detective Jeffrey George testified again today for hours on end. They showed us pictures, videos, and social media posts that they claim prove Brayvon Tukes helped Preston Walls plan these killings. He wanted these rival gang members dead because they say they were speaking disrespectfully about Tukes' late brother. Prosecutors showed video of the funeral of Tukes and Walls at Tukes' brother's funeral, showing gang signs at an after party and holding massive illegal firearms. Now, that was all part of their case for Tukes' criminal gang participation charge. That's in addition to the 2 counts of first-degree murder that he's also facing. Prosecutors also presented a Facebook post that was posted weeks before the shooting where Detective George says Tukes threatened violence against those opposing gang members as he was grieving for his brother. Now, while the defense team got the chance to cross-examine Detective George, they tried to poke holes in his theory, asking him about the second car that drove to the pickup spot by a man named Key Money McDuffie, who George claims is also a known member of their gang.
It states, "I don't want no peace. I want to see dead bodies because my little bro died, and I want the same for everybody."
So Key Money is perhaps a co-conspirator.
I had no direct messages between Mr. McDuffie and Mr. Walls talking about killing OMB gang members leading up to this.
Only the location of the getaway, though, right?
Yes, and he did not fulfill that act of being the actual getaway driver. He left prior to that.
Now, after George's testimony was finished, the prosecution rested their case, and the defense got their first crack at the jury as they presented their case. Now, he hasn't testified yet, but we're expecting Preston Walls to take the witness stand. He's the convicted shooter in the Starts Right Here shooting. We're live in Des Moines. Bo Bowman, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.